Do you want to be that guy who is going to ace his exam and get the best grades possible, and who's not even going to be stressed when he's collecting results because you know that you have put in the work and you know that it's a pass by default? Do you want to be that guy? If yes, then you are exactly at the right place, because I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that in the most time efficient and easiest way possible. And first of all, the best way is you must start preparing for that exam at least a month earlier, latest a month earlier, because people cram everything into the final week, but that is completely wrong. I don't advise that. Start preparing for your exam, your most important exam, at least 1 month earlier. You don't need to study every single day for a month, but at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's going to make sure that you're going to ace that exam and pass with the best grades possible. I know that it sounds a bit boo-hoo, it's not a quick tactic, but if you want the best grades, then obviously, undoubtedly, you need to do a lot of preparation, and you must do it at least a month earlier. And the next step is that you don't need to study for every subject. If you're going to sit for at least 5 exams, you don't need to study for all those 5 subjects, because for me, I never studied heritage and yet I got an A. I knew that it was easy, so I did not waste time studying it. And so for you, there are subjects that you know that are easy. Don't waste time studying them. The third step is that you must study your weak points. You study them so that, like in life in general, we must take advantage of our strong points. But in studying, you must study your weak points and bring them up so that they can become overly good. And then you must avoid distracting yourself while studying. There's this movement to use the Pomodoro technique when you're studying, or you set an alarm for 25 minutes. I disagree with that, because an alarm is going to distract you. Of course, you must take breaks, but avoid distracting yourself. Setting an alarm while studying is just not worth it. And then you must learn how to study properly. We're always told that sitting down to read is the best way to study, but I completely disagree with that. That is not the best way to study. Why? Because reading itself is not studying. You're just looking at words, not making any progress. Learn how to study properly, and the best way is to do what's called active recall. In summarize up, just do past exam question papers and you are easily going to ace your next exam. Remember, studying is about consistency and just showing up. There is no need to study for 2 hours and do it once a week. 30 minutes, even 10 minutes every single day is going to be worth it. What's going to put you ahead is the fact that you are going to show up at that study table each and every single day, ready to conquer each and every time. Keep going, it's in your hands, and I'm going to see you at the top.